after we pass the last set of buoys. Sit up, paddles up. Nice and easy. Take it away. Let her run. Let her run, let her run. Give me a stroke. Keep your heads in the boat. Hold water, hold. It's going to happen fast. Here we go, Barry. Bury your paddles, bury them. Beautiful. Doing great! You're doing great! Keep going! Don't quit! That's it! That's perfect! Pour it on! Power! Power! Keep going! Don't stop! You've got it! Keep going! You're gonna win! You're gonna win! Hard! Come on! Come on! Come on! Give me 10 more! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Let her run! Okay. Nice and easy, or we'll flip. Nice and easy, nice and easy, nice and easy. Hold water. Hold water. We won. We don't want to end it with flipping. We won. Nice job. That was a beautiful, beautiful first race, Wheelers. Okay, I'm going to turn this around, let you rest for a second. That was really nice. Did you notice halfway through you got together? Did you notice how the boat shot in front of everybody after you did that? It just went woo! That was smart doing the slow stroke. The 1/1000, that was smart because the bigger people need that much time to get back around. That was really, really well done, drummer and crew.
Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
In the back because I have you and yelling. Awesome.
That was really fun. Oh, sure. Thank you, Wheelers. Do you guys all work together or something?
No, we're family and friends.
Wow, that's cool.
That's the Wheelers. Yeah.
The band, huh? Wow. What kind of band?
It's the band and the roadies. Yeah. What kind of band? How would you say? The jam, punk, rock.
Cool.
They have everything. We're awesome. We should have brought CDs to pass out. We might give you a CD.
That'd be great. I'd love to have a CD. I have a Dragon Boat song that I wrote. It's if you go to dragonboatsong.com, you can hear my Dragon Boat song. It's called Race My Dragon Boat. Huh? Heck yeah, I'd love it if they covered it. It's, I'm gonna race my dragon boat, gonna race my dragon boat. I'm gonna race my dragon boat, gonna race my dragon boat. I'm gonna race my dragon boat, gonna race my dragon boat. I'm gonna race my dragon boat, gonna race my dragon boat. That's the hook, so it's pretty easy to sing along with.
What if we were like, I'm gonna race my
Well, if you're a musical team, you might as well. Sit up! Wait a minute, no, we'll wait. You going in next, John? Okay. I'm just gonna sit up! Paddles up! Take it away! Let her run! Let her run! Stop! 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 That's okay. We don't want to beach it. Okay, hold water! Nice job, Wheelers! Woo! When you guys got together, that boat just went vroom. I mean, really, seriously. That's what did it. Sorry. At least I didn't hit you in the head. But if that was your first race, you should really